Let us go to what you're picking for today. Coming to you, Devin, what is your stock pick?
Yeah, I'm going local today. SA Inc. stocks, as we were chatting about a little bit earlier, are generally on the main incredibly cheap, but there is a lot of risk attached to them because of the macro environment. So our sense is you've got to buy the strongest in the sector. So we're looking in the industrial sector, a company called Hudaco, and they've really been one of the most consistent and probably financial strong operators in that sector. They supply industrial, automotive, and electronic consumables, mostly into the South African market. Yeah, I think what we like about them, financials look really strong, nice balance sheet, good cash flow generation. They've got nice pricing power on the brands that they import. So, they're able to weather some inflation. And their business model now is really growing by acquisition. So they're picking up some of their struggling competitors, and we see at a kind of a 7 earnings multiple, some nice upside from here.
All right. Yeah, Nick, what are you making a call on today?
So I'm going offshore. I'm going into technology offshore, and one of the Magnificent Seven, to give you an idea that I don't believe the bubble is over in that sort of sense. I'm going for Amazon. It's a company that I think has been historically grabbing a lot of market share, but generally not that profitable other than in their cloud sort of business. And I think under the new leadership of Andrew Jassy coming across from the cloud business, which is a very profitable enterprise, I think there's certainly much more of a clear driver towards just trying to take revenue and market share. They're moving away from that, and I think they're moving towards profitability. So I sort of anticipate they can grow earnings at least 30% a year for the next 3 years. And it's not on a demanding kind of valuation relative to itself and even relative to other sort of tech companies that are out there. So that is my stock pick. I still think there's a lot of juice left in that sort of stock. And, it's not even close to bubble territory for Amazon at the moment.
Yeah, all right. Well, thank you so much, James, for your time and for your analysis today. Really appreciate it. That's all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, Devin Shute from the Robert Group and Nick Krell from FNB Wealth and Investments.